It's been a long time that I hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time that I made any video, but today I decided to show you a big project, a very big project in the crypto world. You know, Bitcoin. If you missed Bitcoin, now you don't have to miss this project. Hamster Kombat. We're going to explain what this project is and what this project does. But before, let me show you Bitcoin is a project that is a new project, but it made a big success. Um, if we see on the chart for 1 year, we will see how this project pick up from the bell, all here. You see that even if begin to draw down, but he waste a big project. Today we talk with Combat. Remember this article? This article is be written by QCoin. Do you know what QCoin is? QCoin is a project. QCoin is a project. QCoin is a platform. Is an exchange platform. It's one of one of the best platform a crypto exchange. If QCoin support this project, if Binance, if Bybit support this project, you have to understand that this project will explode the world of cryptocurrency. You can say what is Hamster Kombat? A guide. You can why the guide to the trending Telegram crypto game. Remember that this game is made for Telegram right now. Okay, guys, Hamster Kombat is a favorite Telegram battle crypto game where you can mine hamster coins by managing virtual crypto exchange. The game is getting hot following Notcoins. Okay, that's the reason why I showed you Notcoin. Here you can try to compare the hamster and hamster and Notcoin. The game is getting hot following Notcoin success. Remember, Notcoin has a big success. Then the hamster want to have this big success also. Enjoy strategic gameplay, daily bonuses, and the promise of real cryptocurrency reward through upcoming Hamster Kombat Airdrops. As you can see, you can trade hamster, but only on Telegram. Hamster is a meme coin that will be um, supported by Tonecoin. So you have to have Tone on your wallet to buy Hamster when it will show up. Play to earn. There are key features on Hamster Kombat. Play to earn, model, daily combo promotion, NFT integration, real world crypto market simulation, referral system, available resource characters, customization options, intense combat action multiplayer mode. However, you can see a demonstration. I know guys who have already played this game on your Telegram on your phone. Here you can see a card that you can buy for 10,000 points, and you will earn 1,000 points every hour. Getting started with Hamster Kombat. So if you do not already have one, download the Telegram app on Store, App Store, or Google Play. If you are a crypto, I know you have already Telegram. Telegram is very important to perform in the crypto world, earn up with your exchange, etc. Okay, Hamster, but Gary Airdrop is coming soon. So I can tell you, the airdrop is not out yet because I tried to get my coins, but he did not. So I hope these guys work well on the project for delivery a good airdrop. So guys, I want you to push it of this till the end, okay? As you can see, this article has been written by Cupid. That's the thing that are coming soon in Hamster exchange negotiations. We will be out. Maybe you can buy on the Bybit, Coin or Binance. Market maker negotiation, key partnerships are coming. Airdrop task list. For the airdrop, you will be invited to complete some task. I don't know what task it will be because the hamster staff don't talk about yet. But when the moment will arrive, I know you will see a lot on the Telegram group or YouTube. If you check the YouTube channel, you will be very surprised by the number of the subscribers this guy have. So guys, I'm very surprised by this project. So I hope you will too. So next video will be more interesting because tonight I'm very break down, guys. Sorry for the sound, but I really wanted to present you this project. See you soon, guys. Thank you for viewing, for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family. Ciao.